Hello together. In this video I want to show you how to set up your alarm on the Xiaomi 12 Pro. To set up your alarm, we open our menu for the apps, and then we click on the clock because the alarm is within the clock. And you can see here are already 3 alarms, but they are deactivated. Let's take a look at these alarms. You can see here 6 a.m. daily, 7 a.m. Monday to Friday, and 8 a.m. on Saturday and Sunday. So these 3 options. We can click on one, and then we can see here that we can change here when it should start, and we activate and deactivate it. But we can also click on additional settings, and then we can also choose a default ringtone. Weather alarm, morning dew. But nature alarm is great. So at 6 a.m. it will start with the nature alarm, and it will be repeated daily, but I can also change it Monday to Friday or custom or once, and then vibrate when alarm sounds. And I can also give this a label, a special name, and then I click on OK, allow clock to make and manage phone calls. I say OK, and then it's activated. So the next alarm will be in 20 hours and 24 minutes. Okay, so turn off this repeating alarm. So the second one is Monday to Friday. Okay, I have to go to work, 7 a.m. everything is great. Add additional settings, and now I will choose another ringtone, morning dew, at 7 a.m. from Monday to Friday, and then everything's fine, and it's activated. And on Sunday I don't want to wake up so early, so I'll change it to 11 a.m. Again, additional settings, ringtones, and I will say, oh, daydream's great. Oh yes, that's great. And then I will activate it. So I have 2 alarms activated. The one is from Monday to Friday, 7 a.m. and the other one is Saturday and Sunday from 11 a.m. So that's pretty cool how you can set up your alarm on the Xiaomi 12 Pro. I hope this video helped you a little bit. If yes, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and we'll see us the next time. Bye bye.